in Indiana. Columbus is the capital of Ohio. There's Montgomery, Alabama, south of Helena, Montana. There's Denver, Colorado, over 50 Idaho. Texas has Austin, then we go north to Massachusetts, Boston, and Albany, New York. Tallahassee, Florida, and Washington, D.C. Santa Fe, New Mexico, and Nashville, Tennessee. Elvis used to hang out there a lot. Trenton, New Jersey, north of Jefferson, Missouri. You got Richmond in Virginia, North Dakota has Vienna, Harrisburg in Pennsylvania, and Augusta, South Dakota. There is Providence, Ohio, there's Hanford, Delaware. Concord, New Hampshire, just a big John. To Montpelier, which is up in Vermont. Hartford, Connecticut, is a pretty and the home. Kansas has Topeka, Minnesota has a June is in Alaska, and there's Lincoln in Nebraska, and Italia in North Carolina, and then there's Madison, Wisconsin, and Olympia in Washington, Phoenix, Arizona, and Lansing, Michigan. Here's Honolulu, Hawaii is June, to Jackson, Mississippi, and Springfield, Illinois, South Carolina, with Columbia down the way, and Annapolis in Maryland, on Chesapeake Bay. They have wonderful clam chowder. Cheyennes in Wyoming, and perhaps you make your home in Salt Lake City, and Utah, where the buffalo run, and Lincoln's down in Georgia, and West North Dakota, and you can live in Frankfort in your old Kentucky home. Salem, Oregon, from there we join Little Rock in Arkansas, Iowa, Des Moines, Sacramento, California, Oklahoma, and Spain, Charleston, West Virginia, and Nevada, Carson. That's all the capitals there are.